Makueni County has collaborated with the Strathmore Energy Research Centre to develop an energy plan, focusing on improving energy accessibility and promoting environmental sustainability in the region. Researchers called in for a validation workshop involving members of the County Assembly to provided their inputs on the energy plan document before its implementation.
We have been working on the county energy plan for some time now, almost a year. We've gone through the process. It was important that we take them through the process that we undertook, and also we get their input, and also we give them our report, our analysis, and the projects that we've come up with.
This is something that we have truly appreciated, and we want to say that as an assembly, we support the whole idea of energy. And what we have learned is that, for example, when we talked about domestic use of energy, I've understood that the Makueni people mostly rely on wood as source of energy, particularly cooking. And of course, in that policy document that is being developed, we have heard it say that we're going to introduce other measures, including biogas, so that we can save energy. I've also heard that in the hospitals, because of the challenges and the way the economy and the power is becoming expensive, introducing the solar energy in the hospitals, because sometimes there are challenges when power is off and the power is on, off. So when we introduce that solar power energy, it will impact so much in the society. So I think this is really timely, and it will truly impact on the common mwananchi of Makueni.
I'm very grateful to the Department of Energy and Infrastructure and our partners, and we are really happy with the program. We have really learned a lot on the sensitization program, and this it will be a game changer in the energy sector within our county. So we are happy as a county, and as a Transport and Energy Committee, we are ready to support the policy and the plan once it's delivered for adoption.
The importance of validating with the MCAs was to get their buy-in and also hear their views. Because if we don't get them here, then when it comes to the process of ratification, then we'll have a challenge. So when we get their buy-in, we hear their input, we can also have interrogation of the document at this point. Then after launching, the next step will be ratification. And at that point, we are hoping to get their support.
So I would like to thank and appreciate the county government of Makueni, the Strathmore Energy Research Centre, the FCDO, and the World Resource Institute Centre for coming together to bring this to Makueni County. It is something that will truly affect and impact on the people of Makueni.